Hi guys! Today I'm just here to tell you a little bit about what you should do and not do before your original microblading appointment. Some things that you should avoid. If you are a frequent Botox getter, I would just make sure you stay away from getting injections 2 weeks before your original appointment, just so we have everything natural and fresh and we know what we're working with from the get-go. Also, just grow your brows out, let them go crazy. We like to work with what we can and incorporate everything that we can with your original microblading. If you have any inspiration pictures, it's also really good to show us those just to see what you're kind of expecting and what you'd like. 48 hours before your appointment, we like you to stay away from any kind of blood thinners. So this means caffeine, coffee, soda, ibuprofen, aspirin, fish oil, green tea. There's a lot of different blood thinners that you wouldn't even know, but just in daily life, it's easy to take those. It makes you hold your pigment longer for the best healing process, and just to make it all the more comfortable when you get your brows microbladed. And upon your appointment, we actually give you an aftercare sheet to kind of just reference to when you're healing. Healing takes about 7 to 10 days. We give you this aftercare balm that you're supposed to apply for the most comfortable healing process. And if you have any questions, just give us a call here at the studio. Thank you.